folks, and good morning. Welcome to another video here on my vlog. As you can see, I'm in my car again. I am on my way to Louth, which is in Lincolnshire. It's a market town. It's a 100-kilometre ride I'm going to be doing today, which is a bit short for me, but I'm still in a recovery mode, I guess. But I've also actually got my hybrid, my new bike, my commuter bike, that's thrown in the back of the car. So I am making it a little bit different for myself. No road bike today, so it's not going to be as pacey, but you know, it's a little bit different. It's a bit more intriguing. I know a few people have done that in the past. I've seen them or watched them. I've thought to myself, what on earth are they doing? And I'm going to be in their shoes and doing exactly the same thing. So I am at the start of the Wolds Traverse 100-kilometre bike ride. It's from Legbourne, just outside Louth. Just about to head off. You can see I brought my hybrid with me today just to make it a little bit more interesting. It's the Roux, showed you in a previous video, P17. Today I've had to bring my rain jacket with me because there's possibility of rain, so unlike yesterday it was glorious sunshine, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I won't have to use it, but like being in the Scouts, you need to be prepared, so I certainly am today. Hope it doesn't rain too much because I ain't got any mud guards on this bike yet. So I've just eyed up the field. I'm the only one on a hybrid today. Only one mad enough to go on a hybrid. Everybody else is on road bikes. So I am that person. However, there was somebody with crazy socks on in front of me. Morning. Right there. So as suspected, the first part of the route will take us up north towards Grimsby along the coast before traversing, as the name of the Audax suggests, through the Wolds on the return loop. There is 5 information stops and a control stop today at the B17 cafe. I've never heard of that one. Talking of the brevet card, just realised I forgot to bring a pen. So I'll be using my phone app to take photos around. Something I wouldn't normally do, but I'm having to do that today. Just reached the first information control of the day. Little less than 5k into the ride, and we've already seen it. It's a Pac-Man wearing a top hat.
I think it's a bird.
It's a what?
I think it's some sort of bird.
Some sort of bird.
Yeah.
So I'm just with Mark at the moment. He was just telling me about some sportives he's done this year. He's done the White Rose Classic. And what else was he going to tell me, Mark?
Doing the next one is the Wimbledon Blues, which is the 200k ride from Waddington out to Rutland Water and back.
It's going to be a good one, that, isn't it?
Good one. Looking at doing the Heart of the Wolds again next year, which is another 100 miler, about 5,000 feet climbing.
Yes. You'll like the Wimbledon Blues. I did it for the first time last year. There's a bit of a canal stretch on it as well.
I've heard about this canal where you have to go underneath the bridge. Someone posted though saying they're going to be walking underneath it.
I think I did last year. So I don't know if I said already, there's 5 information controls on this ride. And it's a bit different to the usual one. Usual Audax. We've got little symbols with letters in. We've had a G and we've had a V, and there's 5 of them. So my guess is that it's going to be spelling gravy. What we think it might spell?
Viagra.
Viagra?
I don't know how to spell it.
That's 6 letters though, isn't it?
6 letters, yeah.
It could be. We could have a secret control and there's another A in there or something. So we're just heading up towards Folkestone now, just gone through Yarborough. And then it'll be on to Tetney. Not sure where we're going, heading towards after Tetney. Possibly Ashby Hill at East Ravendale, if I remember correctly. So John Crew, if you're watching, you better watch out. I'm going to try and beat your KOM on this beast. You alright?
Yeah, yeah.
Your other half knows you're out today, don't she?
Yeah.
So we're just heading through Tetney back towards the A16 actually. Going to be crossing over onto some smaller country roads Heading towards Ashby Hill, East Ravendale. The cake shop at Wolds Newton is closed today. Oh. I must say at this juncture, John Crew, you are lucky, you are very lucky. We are not going up Ashby Hill, going up through Barnley Beck. Don't know why I said it all funny, just to pronounce it for a moment, Barnley Beck. So consider yourself the proud owner of that KOM still. So just gone through Wolds Newton, heading towards Binbrook. We'll be stopping out the B17 cafe, which is open especially for us. It's not normally open on a Sunday. So yeah, hopefully I've got some nice grub because I'm definitely hungry for it.
Oh, right, yeah.
So just at the site of the B17 cafe here in Binbrook, just had a couple of cups of tea, sausage and bacon bun, and a rainbow cake as well. It was really, really nice. I picked it a bit actually. So it's about to set off again for the second half of the ride. The bike's proving to be okay actually, not too much, hard work. Certainly harder than usual though, compared to a road bike. And just been riding alongside John here, John Smith. So having a good time, aren't we?
Yes, we are indeed.
It's proving to be quite a good ride actually.
Up till now, good.
Yeah, the rain's stayed off as well. So we've just left Binbrook. And if you know this area well, you would have heard of the switchbacks. So we're just going up that. Kicks in, mid-teens in the middle. Not normally a couple of horses riding up it. So we had to hold back a little bit. Horses looked a bit nervous, so we stayed well back. I can see why the organiser chose this way to go. It's nice and quiet, really scenic. So the last cafe, the B17, only open Saturdays, but it's right in the middle of Binbrook. Food was really nice, staff were really nice. So I think I'll add that to my list of places to stop, because there aren't many cafes, to be fair, in the whole of the Wolds. The same can be said for houses as well. There's not a lot of development going on in the Wolds, which is fantastic. We're being an area of natural beauty. It has some sort of protected status, I think, which is great for future generations just to enjoy. Whether it's riding, walking, horse riding, or just coming to visit. We need places like this. Just coming to Belchford and Oxcombe, where the box race was on today for the runners and cyclists. I'm going to do that one year, get myself a mountain bike, get a bit of off-roading. Been talking myself up to do it for a couple of years, never got round to it. That's the box. Your fantastic Audax route. Talking of well, fantastic routes in Lincolnshire. Done loads of sporty HQs events this year. They do fantastic events across Lincolnshire, so go check them out. They do about 5 or 6 sporties throughout the year. It's just about every single one. Apart from the 200 miler special one they did this year, and the flat 100, which was over in North Lincolnshire near Kroll and Thorn. So they're all the events this year, they're really, really good. The most popular of those is possibly the Ross Tiger, which leaves Cleethorpes in June or July. So that's the Sportive HQ events. Go check them out online for next year. Right. So just coming into the end of the ride now, about 5k to go. We're stopping at the Royal Oak, which is at Leghorn, also known as the Splash. You'll see why when I get there. Here you are, thank you. So that's it, another Audax over. That was a 100-kilometre Wolds traverse, finishing here at the Royal Oak Inn, also known as the Splash, for the reason that I'm just about to show you now. Bit of a ford to go across, but I'm going to be taking the bridge. I'm not going to get my feet wet. As always, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you liked it, just give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, hit that button. And of course, don't forget to hit the notification icon as well if you want some notifications on your phone. That'd be great. So if you've got any comments, questions, stick them below. I'll go through those. Always love reading your comments, so do stick those below. Until next time, I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.